Hi guys, my name is Angelo. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you guys 5 tips on how to speak Filipino. Okay, so stay tuned guys. So one tip how to say Filipino is how to say good night. Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi. That means good night guys. Remember that. Take notes. Number 2 is how to say good morning. Magandang umaga. That means good morning guys. Magandang umaga. Good morning. 3 ways is how to say water. Too big. Too big. That means water. 4th way is how to say let's eat everyone. Means kain na tayo. Kain na tayo. Kain na tayo. So guys, last way how to say take care is ingat. 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 Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell right on top. Always on. And keep staying tuned on my videos, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.